Hello everyone. If you keep getting this error in Battlefield 6, error code 18509S, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Battlefield 6. So this is a DNS issue. What you can do to fix this error is open up your web browser and download Cloudflare Warp, open it up, click onto the link and click download latest stable release. You're going to download and install this Cloudflare Warp software. I already have it installed, so I'm going to show you how it is. You're going to open it up, and then what you're going to do is you're going to double click on Cloudflare Warp. As you can see, I'm already connected. You'll see the interface like this. What you're going to do is you're going to click onto the settings icon, click onto this option 1.1.1.1 with Warp, and then click connect on here and wait for it to connect. And once it's done connecting, then you're going to restart Steam or EA where you have the app on, and you're going to relaunch the game, and that should fix your issue. That's how easy it is to fix that Battlefield 6 error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.